Welcome to Bonita Del Sol, a new gated single-family home community in the heart of Bonita Springs, Florida. When complete, the community will have 248 total homes and no CDD. The community sits on the site where Bonita Springs Country Club was once located, just off Old 41 in Bonita Springs, close to I-75, shopping and dining. The builder is building 3 series of homes. The Scenic Series, which includes the Contour, Hallmark, Morris, and Trailside models, and the Distinctive Series, which includes the Cedar, Mystique, Prestige, Mystique Grande, Whitestone, and Yorkshire models, and the Echelon Series, which include the Ashby, Easley Grande, Oakhurst, and Roseland models. Amenities will include a community pool. 2024 Bonita Del Sol Homeowners Association fees collected quarterly. Includes lake and surface water management, common area maintenance and insurance, landscape and irrigation maintenance, common areas and homes, community pool, and professional property management. For information on new homes at Bonita Del Sol, please contact Southwest Coast Realty in Naples. Call 239-229-9926. If you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss our next informative video on Southwest Florida real estate. Thanks for watching.